Millennium Crunch.
To get the flavor of Brenham, touring Bluebell headquarters is a must. The company is one of the top employers in the city, putting more than 700 people to work.
Everything freezes.
I took on the difficult role of taste tester.
Here you go. now you're official.
Yes. How's it look?
Bluebell's Jenny Van Dorf gave us the scoop in the ice cream parlor. We started with the flavor milk and cookies. But while I enjoyed taste testing for the day, Christy Moran's been doing it for 20 years.
This is my first and only real job.
She's the research and development manager at Bluebell. Simply put, she gets paid to come up with all the new flavors.
You'll actually get cherry chunks in this one.
Brenham and Bluebell go hand in hand. When people come to Brenham, they know about Bluebell, and Bluebell is in turn taking care of the community very well.
With Bluebell in their backyard, you might wonder how the people of Brenham decide what to sample. But Van Dorf says on game day, the decision is easy.
If you're rooting for the Cubs, of course, we're going to suggest pistachio almond, which is green, or mint chocolate chip.
In Brenham, Katherine, 13 Eyewitness News.